Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today we are talking about constant terms. These are the building blocks of math equations that act as standalone numerical values. Let's understand what they are. In algebra, a constant is simply a number on its own. It is called a constant because its value is constant, meaning it does not change. Unlike a variable which can change, a 5 is always a 5. Here are some examples. The number 7 is a constant. -4 is a constant. Even decimals like 2.5 are constants. If it is a number sitting by itself, it is a constant term. Let's compare. On the left, we have 3x. This is a variable term because its value depends on what x is. On the right, we have 5. This is a constant term. Its value is fixed and never changes. Can you spot the constant in this expression? We have 2y plus 8 minus 4x. The constant is the number 8. It is the only part that has no letter attached to it. Think of a lock. The word constant means unchanging. In an algebraic equation, variables might shift and change value, but the constant terms stay exactly as they are defined. Constants aren't just whole positive numbers. -15 is a constant. 1/2 is a constant. Even pi, which represents roughly 3.14, is a constant because it is a specific fixed value. When you see an expression like 3x plus 5 plus 2, you can simplify it. Since 5 and 2 are both constants, you can add them together. 5 plus 2 equals 7, so the expression becomes 3x plus 7. Imagine a taxi ride. You pay $2 per mile. That changes based on how far you go, so it is a variable term. But there is often a booking fee, like $5, that you pay no matter what. That booking fee is the constant. To recap, constants are numbers without variables attached. Their value never changes. They can include negatives, fractions, and special numbers like pi. And remember, you can always combine constant terms in an expression.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.